On the flathead rod. Not a bad one. It's jumped a couple of times there. There's a few bubbles from it. Oh yeah, it's not a bad one. Melita for a little, what, 10-pound line?
Yeah.
1,000 reel. We probably pulled 30 bar out of this little creek. One after the other. And she was just going to have a lure change. Did you change?
No.
Still got the Reedy's vibe on?
Yep.
Reedy's vibe's been smacking them today and she's still got it on. They went a bit quiet on us. We changed up and bang straight away, put the Akami on. The old Akami. He's coming up. You're right. Got the super big net there. Oh yeah, got a nice jump out of him. Just wait till his head comes up. We get him, we'll get him. She's got, she's got the noodle. Got the super noodle.
Ready?
There we go. Beautiful. Oh, he's got a big bit of paper on him. Well done, Melita. Yes. It's not bad for a little light. Pull it up to get a video of it, the one Melita got, and have a look in there.
Oh, no, close up. Hang on.
Open her up, Melita. Look at that. There's a vibe in there. There's a Reedy's. Yep, just open it up to get a video, get the hook out, and there's a vibe in it. Reedy's vibe. White one. Okay, get a photo.
Oh.
Hold him up.
2 each here.
Look at this, eh? Got me vibe back. I reckon that's my vibe.
Yeah.
Got snapped off.
Oh, Josh is on.
Josh is on again. Oh. Good one, Josh?
Oh, I might need a hand with the hook on.
Yeah. Melita reckons he thinks he's good. He's got a bit of...
He's got a bit of go about him. I just don't think he's as big as he thinks he is.
Oh, you reckon, it could be a crocodile.
Oh, it could be.
It's going a bit weird, isn't it?
Yeah. I'm not liking
Unless he's wrapped you up in something.
Could be.
You got one, you, Joey? Get in there, Bruss. This one's not coming.
Oh, in the tail.
He's in the tail. Anyone can get him in the mouth. Melita goes and hooks one in the tail. And it's not a bad one either. Hey, in the tail, pulling it in backwards. Is that net big enough, Josh?
Yeah.
Oh, no, I reckon it's a bit... Not a bad... Oh, yeah.
Sorry, little buddy.
Might be hard getting him in it. Oh.
No, that's all right.
Oh, look, that mullet's trying to eat him. I was thinking, what's going on here? It's a weird fight.
It was a weird fight.
Another one to the body count. Could have a red tag in it.
Ow.
Pumping away. Just steadily cracking fish off this little junction. Melita's having the best luck on this light rod. Hasn't got you in the motor, has it?
Yep.
Popped you off?